Now come to the gun shop.
Nailed it.
Parkour pro.
I'm gonna show you the course, okay? We're going very slowly.
I totally meant to do that, Dylan.
So we start here.
Yes.
You go up.
Yes.
You take a left.
Yes.
You go onto the train tracks for a little bit.
I'm stuck. Yes.
Oh wait, I made a wrong turn. Back up. Shit.
You don't understand, Dylan.
A few moments later.
And okay, so.
Oh no! 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 Oh! That was totally running off into the sunset. Oh. Gotta destroy all evidence.
Oh no.
All evidence has to be destroyed. This motorcycle is freaking indestructible.
I died.
Ah! I
Oh,
will
so far
destroy.
Oh my god.
Release all hell on this motorcycle.
Just use a grenade launcher.
I already did. It just took them like a boss. I'm completely out of grenade launcher ammo.
Oh my god. What was this place?
I'm approaching the target. Dude, I'm giving like a new paint
Whoa.
job.
Damn.
I can do this. Show 'em who's boss. Unload all the ammo you got. Pop its tires.
He's popping tires.